The 2015 Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, HomeLink garage door opener, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, air conditioning, front, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.